Hello, I'm Samik Kumar, a supply chain technology leader at InspireXT. Let's explore how AI enhances the four pillars of supply chain: plan, source, make, and move. Starting with plan, AI analyzes vast amount of data to forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and analyze what-if scenarios, leading to precise planning and cost reduction. Next, source. AI enhances the entire sourcing process, from sustainable sourcing and contract negotiation to supplier risk assessment, resulting in the best sourcing decisions and a resilient supply chain. Then make. AI monitors production lines in real time, predicts maintenance needs, and analyzes machine data to improve consistency in quality, maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. Finally, move. AI optimizes logistics by improving warehouse operations, determining the fastest and most cost-effective routes, and predicting delivery times more accurately, resulting in timely and efficient delivery of goods and services. With AI, every pillar of supply chain becomes smarter, efficient, and resilient.